So I had some leftover condiments in my larder, and I thought, wouldn't it be nice if I mixed them all together and used them on something? Couldn't figure out what until I realized I have some sliced American beef in my freezer. So I threw it in the fridge to thaw it out, so we're going to fry it up, and we're going to use this interesting condiment mix. Anyway, let's get to frying. I've already melted the butter. Let's go ahead and put in the beef. Of course, we need some adobo. If that's done, let's take it off the heat. Next, we're going to mix in all of our leftover condiments. First, I have some fajita seasoning mix. I got 2 packets of pizza toast sauce. And I got 2 packets of Heinz cheese sauce. Let's mix it up. This might benefit from a little bit in the microwave. Not bad, very strong. All right, let's get it on some beef. All right, this is our container. Put in a little bit of our sauce. More sauce. More beef. All right, all that's left to do is try it. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if it's any good. You know, that's not bad. It's mostly the pizza flavor, but I can detect a little bit of the cheese and the fajita seasoning. And a little piece here. Okay, this is actually pretty good. It's a nice use of some leftover condiments and some leftover fatty beef that I had in the freezer. So yeah, I'll call it a success. I'm going to have it again. Thanks for watching.